etrack is a versatile tool that you can add to your trailer that will open up a world of cargo securement possibilities. etrack is customizable, dependable, and easy to install. There are hundreds of accessories specifically made to attach to etrack that will allow you to secure cargo in your trailer like never before. Today, we'll be taking a look at the over-the-tire wheel strap with etrack fittings from Mytee products. This 2-inch by 10-foot ratchet strap is specially designed to fit over a vehicle's tires and anchor it down. Sporting etrack fittings, this strap fits right into any standard etrack rail you may have installed in your trailer or van. With a working load limit of 3,333 pounds, many customers use this product to tie down ATVs and other off-road vehicles in their trailer so they don't shift in transit. It features rubber pads on the strap for a soft contact, and it comes with a tension ring you can use to get a snug fit over the tire. Let's step out and show you how to use our etrack ratchet wheel strap to secure a tire. Before starting, you'll want to have your ratchet strap broken down into its 2 parts and 1 tension ring ready to go. Begin by rolling or driving the tire you want to secure onto your etrack. Now hook the long end of the ratchet strap into an etrack slot right beside the tire. Drape the strap over the tire. Here we can see the rubber pads sewn onto the strap. Now hook a tension ring into an etrack slot near the tire. Run the strap through the ring. This ring allows your strap to fit closer to the tire for a snug, secure fit. Now place the fixed end of the strap with the ratcheting mechanism into your etrack rail. Feed the strap into the ratchet and pull through the slack. Now ratchet the strap until it fits tight over the tire. Your tire is now secure. If you were anchoring a 4-wheel vehicle, you'd repeat these exact same steps, only with 2 etrack rails and 4 straps. With a working load limit of 3,333 pounds, this strap will safely secure tires and entire vehicles without a problem. Head on over to myteeproducts.com or call 1-888-705-8277 to purchase an over-the-tire wheel ratchet strap with etrack fittings from Mytee products. While you're there, take a look at our full array of etrack accessories. We sell everything you need to create a full etrack setup and neatly organize your trailer, van, or workspace. Haul safe, earn more. That's the Mytee products way.
Thank you.